Alright, so before the vlog starts, I just wanted to say, I know I said it a few times, but I didn't get the best clips and I didn't get a lot of clips during the weekend because I was focused on my pictures and editing stuff. So, hope you guys still enjoy. Might not see a lot of the vlogs this summer. I'm gonna have a summer job and I'm also gonna be like taking pictures and stuff on the weekend, so try to get some stuff. Thunder Valley National is coming up and I'll be at that, so that'll be a pretty fun vlog to make. But trying to focus on working this summer a little more, and I don't know how many off days I'll be able to get from my job anyway, but try to make it to as many as I can still. Get some vlogs, and hopefully they're more interesting than this one. But that being said, I hope you guys do enjoy, and make sure you check out my Instagram, 180 edits, to see all the pictures and stuff I got over the weekend. If you guys need anything like picture edit wise, my prices are pretty reasonable. And yeah, that's definitely a gorilla. Dude, what? Dude, it looks like he's holding like a megaphone.
Or a flashlight.
Yeah, I think it's a flashlight. Bro, we gotta move, dude, because we gotta do a photo shoot.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Are you training the time off? Tomorrow? Sunday. I'm gonna try. $20? Yeah.
Guys, hauling up the road.
Okay, I think we're done with the ship, okay? I'll watch it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, he's slowing down.
Alright, yeah, he slowed down like way back there.
Dude, it sounds so deep.
It does sound like a 450. Oh shoot! We got so much traffic here now. Oh, okay. I drive too, bro. I drive too.
Damn, that guy was railing.
Moving to a different spot now. It's gonna be sick. Look at that view too. That house is insane though. Look at that. But we're on the move. My fish eye clean, so I can do it.
At a gas station, have you?
No.
Well, this is a first.
This is my second time ever even doing a bike photo shoot. Oh yeah, smack dab in the middle. Oh my gosh, dude. It's only idling too.
It's got some chop to it.
That's gnarly.
That's so cool.
What the hell? No, facing that way is good. I'll see if I can get like Maverick in the back.
Well, hold on, what the frick is that?
Dude, what actually is that? Oh, it's like memorials. That was scary, dude.
I thought there was a bunch of animals like chilling there, bro.
I thought it was like squatters or something out there in the middle of nowhere. Middle of nowhere, like Wyoming. It's kind of creepy. Finally, people are pulling in, but the track looks sick. They changed some stuff too, which is pretty awesome. That was a double last year. They made it to a massive triple, so I'm excited to, oh shoot, you know, take some pictures, film. I wish I was racing this track, but a win is a win. So many tires, dude.
Not one tire, not two tires, not three tires. Wow. Not 4 tires. Wow. Not. Wait, what was I at? 4? Oh, 5 tires. Not 5 tires. 6 tires.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. I roll them all down.
There's $1 million right there. Oh my. Hold up.
Run away
I got
on
it.
fire.
I got it. Rambo is on one right now. Oh my gosh. That was insane. Rowing on the steam. Careful. Oh my gosh! Practice looks like the race. Oh my gosh. This kid is on rails. Oh. Dialed. We are mobile.
Because I hung up on her.
Oh, my bad. Alright, we're actually dialed now. Yo, this is Phi. Jace, there's your type over there. What a lineup. What a lineup. These are some funny shirts. Alright. Alright, alright. We got Dubai chocolate right here. So, we'll see what the hype is about. Let's see. Probably. I don't know if it was worth $8. It's pretty good, but probably not $8 for this. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Yo. Is this sick or what? I'm trying to record out the back way. That too.
Piss missile. PK, if you see this, I'm sorry.
What's up? It's my vlog.
It's your vlog.
Sure. Just
Stop talking to the host! Say that!
no, dude. What happened?
Let me vlog. I got you! I got you!
Why is your friend
Hi, Zeke. Guys, I'm the new vlogger. PK, what do you have to say?
We're gonna try to flip it.
Alright.
Maybe.
Yo, PK!
What are my other shit?
PK, we have to... On the swing set. Wait, PK, hold the phone and then I'll grab it in midair. Okay. And vlog. Guys?
Full name right here.
Oh, Stan, not my middle name. I'm Santa Roland. I can't say my house. I'm just Colorado.
I do not need your address.
I think my occupation. What do I want to do?
people's mouths. How tall are you? 6'1". Oh wait, Tyler, remember that 10K you gave me yesterday?
Oh yeah.
Yo, yeah, that 10K.
Yeah, I'm rich.
Yeah, this kid dropped me a band the other day. I'm rich.
Oh yeah, I got you. I got you. Oh yeah. I'm rich. I'm rich. There's a fire over there. I think that's a fire, dude. It looks so much cooler on my phone than it does in real life.
Oh my gosh, that looks fucking sick.
I know.
Gosh, the board out 0500.
You can't even see it. Out, dude.
Yeah, dude, you can't even see. Hold on.
Yeah.
Now you can.
Allahu Akbar.
Oh, he falls. He better fall.
Imagine.
Because I saw her doing like backflips off the freaking. She doesn't fall.
She's about to eat it.
Wait, no, please. Run down it, you won't.
I think your friend is the one that said please fall.
I wouldn't say that actually.
Yeah, why
That was
the hell-
actually that was
would you
actually
say
Jackson.
I don't
I
know.
really hope that one ginger chick falls.
Dude, what the fuck you guys are doing?
I'm not ginger.
Oh, factory mechanics over here. Factory mechanics over here. Oh shoot, why is my flash on? First time in B class. See how this is gonna go. 250A. Oh shoot. I didn't know Gordy was racing. 250B. Oh my gosh, Chase with the whole shot. Let's go! Oh my gosh. No way. Boosted. Holy crap. Chase decided to hold him off for like 2 more laps. Come on. Oh, we got Ryan out front. Let's go! Come on! Remo put on a late moto charge, but Jace is gonna hold him off for second in his first B-class race. Not surprised it's Jacob Johnson out front in 450C. He needs to move to B class. But we have got Barnhart second, Sanders third. Let's go, let's go. Oh. So stacked. Oh my God. Way out front. We got Anthony in second though. This is sick. Open pro, non-pro. And he might win some cash here. Just cutting seconds off every lap. This is insane. And Anthony gonna hold on. Let's go! Open pro, non-pro. He's beating all the pros. This is insane. Zeke got the whole shot and he is shredding, but Rowan is right behind him. It's crazy. Zeke got so much faster on his 125 in like a short amount of time. I barely missed that. What a battle though. We got these 2 breakfast pizzas and they are absolutely amazing. From Pizza Hut. I did not know they did this, but these are actually so amazing. Wow. Oh, Seth's not in there. Oh, yes, he is. Dang, he's all the way back. I wonder what happened. This is gonna be a charge. Oh my God. Why is Rowan shredding? No way, around the outside. I think this is for third. 450A. Man, this downhill is so fast. .450B, this is gonna be a good one. We got Kian and Anthony battling out front. Oh, and we got Ryan in this too. This is gonna get interesting. No way. Around the outside. There's a lapper that got in the way, but Anthony's not giving up. But Kian's putting a little time on him, so let's see. Then we got Ryan in a nice third. Is that a Triumph? Oh my God. Schoolboy 2. Ryan and Jace right back next to each other. This is a good battle right here. Jace needs to stay in front of him. Oh shoot. Oh baby. Oh my God. No was definitely not off of the track. 250A, 250B here. Alright, Jorge up there. Oh! Oh my god! That was insane. Gordy with the whole shot, technically. Come on. Round the outside. Round the outside. Alright, not that great. Let's see. Work some magic over here. Dang it. Alright, it's gonna be a fight. Already getting past people. Oh, little leg slide. Gordy's putting in some hot laps, but Jorge's catching up, so we'll see what goes down here. I think something's going on with Jace's bike over here. He was pointing down, so that's not good. Side by side. I barely missed the start. Oh my god. Alright, 250C. Rowan is in 4th. He got 3rd last time, so he better get up there. Oh, the tutu is adding aggression. Yes, sir. Oh, shoot. Go. Hell yes. What the? They're magic, dude. That's funny. That's funny. 450A and 450B, I think. Sorry, guys. It's been a little hard. I have so many customers today. So I'm trying to get as much footage and stuff as I can, but it's difficult. I'll say that. The vlog might be a little more boring, but trust, guys, I've been on the grind. Jorge gonna take the win for the, I don't remember what class. Jay's 2nd, Brody Propernick, I'm pretty sure is gonna come in 3rd. Anthony passed Ian for the lead in B class, so we're gonna see how this goes last lap. They're really close. They're about the same speed, so. Oh my gosh, he sent it down the hill. Holy crap. They're right next to each other. All right, what do you have to say about this?
No, just went out and got the win. No.
Nothing too crazy.
Did my thing.
Race got canceled. What do you know? This is insane though. I can't even, oh my gosh, it's cold. I can barely walk. Holy crap. Got the old sticker over there. Oh shoot, you can't even see it.
Everybody else is going out. I don't know.